been one of your bucket list items? One of mine has been to report a hurricane on a beach. So here we are in Hurricane Nicole, and you can see the waves, but stay to the end to see some of the bigger ones. Thanks for stopping and watching. This is Karen from Ormond Beach in Hurricane Nicole. We're going to see what it's like, really. What do you got? What are you saying? Oh yeah, the waves are bad. Look at those waves out there. They're tremendous out there. Thanks for coming and watching my one. Well, safe surfing was never one of my things, so never mind. I'm not surfing today.